What's up, guys? David Duty here, and I just want to say congratulations. Congratulations on taking the first steps to changing your life and learning what you need to do to get financial freedom for you, your family, your community. It takes hard work, but in the beginning, honestly, it takes you betting on yourself because no one else is going to. So, after this is over, schedule that one-on-one strategy session with myself or my team of experts, and we will get you started. Something tells me if you've made it this far, you're wanting to finish this out. You're wanting to see what you can do to change your life. And trust me, with hard work and with knowledge, you can do exactly that. It is attainable. And when I say experts, let's just be very clear. I'm talking about people who are actually just like you at one point, actually have an online business that they operate, maybe several, and are what we consider entrepreneurs because they have been highly successful. To me, that's an expert, not somebody who just read a book and got a teaching degree and are passing on information from the textbook. No, these are people who are actually actively doing it. I'm thinking you're probably like a lot of struggling people out there. Either you've tried marketing for the last several months, maybe even a couple years, with no results, or maybe you are brand new and you've heard about affiliate marketing, you've heard about digital marketing, but you don't know where to start. I'm telling you right now, you are in the right place. You can see on this slide right here, it breaks down everything that we all go through, that we all struggle through. And I'm thinking you're probably, oh my gosh, that's me. You're watching endless videos, PowerPoint by death, right? You spent thousands of dollars maybe on all these schemes, and that's exactly what they are. They're schemes, and you just feel stuck and you feel frustrated and you feel hopeless. You're in the right place. Who is this program for? It's for you. It's for me. It's for all of us who want to have something for ourselves, to have something that we're in control of, and then to pass that knowledge on to others, so that they too can be successful in this modern economy, an economy that is ever growing, ever changing, and you need to get with the times. If not, you're going to get left behind. You know, why does this system? Why is it considered the right system to help you? I mean, if you qualify today, and we think that you will, you're going to get coaching sessions with our advisors. They're going to walk you through step by step on what you need to do. You'll be able to lead by example, helping out, like I said, other people to try to get the success that you will have. No more wasting time. No more wasting thousands of dollars making mistake after mistake. Okay? No more struggling like most people. You are not like most people. Let's be very clear about that. So let's stop wasting time and let's stop wasting money and let's go. Again, this is probably not a shock to you. Look at all this stuff. Why do most people struggle to get results and fail? They're buying like thousands of affiliate marketing programs because one doesn't work, they go on to the next one. Eventually, they're like in a lot of debt, right? And they just keep watching nothing but YouTube videos over and over again, without it actually leading to anything. And like I said before, PowerPoint by death, right? Um, there's no action plan in place. There's no step by step of what you need to do to get things up and running successfully. They don't know how to convert leads. They don't know anything about generating traffic. They have zero understanding of what their goals should be, could be, what kind of profit they hope to have. Yeah, let's move on. And you're probably wondering, well, who am I? Why am I the right person to help you? Simple. Again, my name is David Timothy Duty. I'm a retired Air Force veteran. After it was over, I went back to school, used my GI Bill. I thought, hey, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. And while I studied something that I'm really passionate about, and it is my dream job. It wasn't paying the bills. And I was not interested in throwing a lot of my time, my precious time, into something that wasn't going to get me the results I wanted. The financial freedom, the geographical freedom, the creative freedom, making a better life, not just for myself, but, hopefully my family and also my community. So trust me, I know exactly how you feel. I've been there. I've wasted thousands of dollars on what I thought were real action plans, but they were just schemes. Enough of that. I'm tired. And I found a way. And I want you to find your way and do what you need to do. Step by step actions. They bring results. And they're by actual experts. This is what I'm presenting to you. I want to help people just like you who, honestly, I was in your shoes, and I understand what you're going through. Let's change that today. Take a look at some of these team members' testimonies. I mean, read through them. Click on the videos below. Actually, listen to them. I can tell you right now, Jesse Singh, known in all affiliate circles as a very successful, profitable affiliate marketer. It's well known. And you know what? Before that, though, he was just like you, just like me. So all this is attainable. Again, I don't. It doesn't matter where you are right now. Are you if you're in Canada, if you're in Iowa, New York, wherever you're at, it doesn't matter. You can take the steps necessary to change your life. These people did, and just read what they have to say. They are different now than they were before they got started. You know, I love what Nathan has to say. I had accepted living life as someone else's pawn. I am done with accepting that lifestyle. We've all been pawns, right? It's time to move on from being pawns and take control of our own life. What is Entre Institute? It's not the end all be all when it comes to digital marketing, but I can tell you this right now, it's one of the best. It's probably the best digital education platform there is right now. And it's helping people start online businesses or growing existing businesses they already have using cutting edge marketing strategies. You know, Again, robust digital courses, the best digital education you're probably gonna find. They've really done a good job of setting it up, and it helps people learn necessary physical, personal, and professional skills. It's about transformation. Changing your life in all aspects, your professional as well as your private. How you interact with the people you do business with, and how you interact with your loved ones. Very important. This isn't just about making money. This strategy session, if you schedule it, what are you going to be walking away with? Easy. How to be a professional, how to build a brand, how to seamlessly generate leads, you know, growing and scaling a proven business model. Why are we doing these sessions? I mean, because we want to help. We've all been there, and it's time to give back. So we generally want to help people. And I think when you get done with all of this and you find your success, you're going to feel the exact same way. We want to help you dream again. Achieve that financial freedom and your awesome life, whatever that looks like. And hey, when you do well, we do well. You actually help us help more people through your success. The mission is simple. Mission is to help people that are just like you become financially free and achieve their business and life goals. Not just in 2022, but years to come. And we only accept 10 applicants a month. We can only do so much at once, but also, quite honestly, this is not for everybody. It's just not. Something tells me it's definitely for you because you wouldn't have gotten this far. But it takes hard work and dedication. You have one of two options. Okay? It's not rocket science. It's cut and dry. Number one, the hard way. Who wants the hard way? Okay, it doesn't mean you don't work hard, but there's always a smarter way of working and implementing. If this is something you're after, I'm not even going to read these off. Then I thank you for your time, and I hope you don't go broke or end up quitting in the process, because many people do. I know, because I actually quit for a little short time, and I got back on that horse, and I'm so glad that I did. But I chose the smart way. Okay, actually gaining access to knowledge. Knowledge is power in anything you do in life, right? If you have knowledge, you have power. Get connected with a community of like-minded professionals. Your peer groups, and you're going to learn proven and tested methods to build a rock-solid strategy, to build a rock-solid business. I mean, who doesn't want that? This is all we ask. This is all we want for this one-on-one session, and then, every session thereafter. Be open-minded. Be willing to learn something new. I know it's tough. I know it's hard, but you can do it. You know, be willing to learn what you need to do to create new results. Put the old results away. New results. And listen, you're investing in yourself. You're betting on yourself. So you got to be willing to invest, because this is a business. At least $1,000 to $3,000. If not, what are you doing? You are investing into a business here, not a get-rich-quick hobby or scheme. And we're not gamblers. It's time to stop gambling. It's time to start investing and growing. Just take notes. Just pay attention. Be attentive. Be aware. Be present. And if you can, please, if possible, try to come with as much, um, privacy and zero distractions as possible. I know it's tough for some, but just try your best. So that's it, guys. I think you can do it. And I think, again, if you wouldn't have found me or gotten this far, you wouldn't have had the interest. More importantly, you wouldn't have had the courage to try to do something different with your life, to give yourself the financial freedom possible. It's attainable. You have to be able to work for it, but you also have to have the knowledge of how to work for it and how to achieve it. I hope that I've answered some of your questions that you probably didn't even realize you had. Schedule this one-on-one session with our expert panel. We'll try to get something tailor-made. It's just for you, to get you up and get you running. Take control of your life. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you, and more importantly, I look forward to hearing your success stories. Take care, and be well, my friend.